Today we're back with our friends at the Appliance Factory, a great spot here in the Miami Valley to get lots of deals and discounts on home appliances. And our good friend Melissa from the team here is here to provide us wonderful details on exactly how they get their inventory and also how you can get some big savings here. Before we dive into all those details and how that works, my friend Melissa, how are you doing today?
Wonderful. How are you?
I'm feeling good. I like that positive attitude. Let's talk a little bit about Appliance Factory. And myself and my team, we've been here before just to learn a little bit about your process because it is a bit unique. And maybe you can remind me and our viewers at home, how does your team here actually get your inventory?
So when manufacturers have an overstock, we buy that overstock at a discount and then we push that discount onto our customers.
So a very helpful tool indeed to help get discounts to you at home. And we've highlighted the team here before because they have all different kinds of appliances from a variety of brands, even some regular household brands that you would know. But today what we're doing is highlighting something that maybe you wouldn't expect them to have here, but they definitely have it and they've got a bunch of it. Luxury items that you can get as well. For example, Melissa, what do we have right here?
This is the 36-inch Monogram Pro range. We carry anywhere from Monogram to Viking to Jen Air to Decor to Bosch.
So you carry a lot of those higher end brands. And talk to me a little bit about this. Are you providing a discount on this item as well?
Yes, this one is actually half off right now. We are selling it for $49.99, so $4,999.
So a big saving there from the original price. And I also got to ask this. I mean, it's a pretty nice looking thing. I mean, I just see it and I kind of am wowed. What else do we need to know about this product?
So it's uncrated, which means that we got it from the brand. If there's a dent in the box, the manufacturer will not ship it out. So they sell it at a discount. We make sure it's in new condition, and then we sell it to you brand new with a full warranty.
And of course, it works just as well as it would if it wasn't in that process. Let's come around over here, Melissa, and if we can actually take a look at one of your other devices here, or appliances is the correct word, that also is a luxury brand. What do we have right here?
This is a Jen Air 36 gas Pro range. It is on sale currently for $59.99.
And of course, is it the same process? Is that how you guys got this one as well?
Exactly, yep. It was uncrated from the brand and still comes with a full warranty.
I want to make sure we take a step over here now, Melissa, because it's not just those ranges. We also have fridges to talk about from those higher end brands. What do we have on this one right here?
So this is a Jen Air counter depth French door. The nice thing about having the refrigerators, we also carry ranges. We carry wine coolers from luxury brands, and we have them in our store to check out.
Can we take a look inside?
Absolutely.
Of course, a big spacious fridge with lots of different features. And of course, this is just one of the many sets of luxury brands here. And if you're not into luxury brands, they also have other brands here as well that you at home can explore. We are just about out of time here, Melissa. As we get ready to wrap it up, remind everybody at home, where exactly are we right now?
We are in Miamisburg by the Dayton Mall. We are on 741 and Lyons Road. We're right at the corner.
And in addition to the products we've seen here today in the store, Melissa, I know there's some other products that you guys have in stock that you want to make sure everybody at home knows and that are also on sale. What do we have there?
We also have a Jen Air downdraft for normally $3,800 and we have it for $2,000.
Could you tell me more about that and any of the other products you want to make sure everybody knows?
Yeah, we have a Monogram Professional built-in refrigerator. It normally sells for $10,600. If you mention the word Buckeyes, you can get it for $5,000.
Of course, if anyone's looking for savings on those luxury items or any of the other many types of appliances you have here from a variety of different brands, they can come visit you at the Appliance Factory. Melissa, we appreciate you.
Thank you. We appreciate you.